Ever feel like holiday shopping is about to get way easier? Like asking your AI buddy, find me a gaming laptop under $1,000 with a great screen, and boom, done? Well, that's exactly what's happening this season. OpenAI and Perplexity have just rolled out AI shopping assistants built right into their chatbots. And this could totally transform how we shop online. Before we dive deeper, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment on what purchase you wish AI could help you with. OpenAI's new feature lets you describe what you're looking for in plain language, and even upload photos of items you love to find cheaper or similar alternatives. Perplexity's twist? Its assistant remembers your preferences, things like where you live or what you do, so recommendations feel more tailored. According to Adobe, AI-assisted online shopping is expected to grow over 500% this holiday season, a huge opportunity for startups. But here's the juicy part. Smaller AI shopping startups like Phia, Cherry, Onton, formerly Deft, and Daydream aren't sweating this move from the big players. Why? Because they're building specialized models trained on deep, domain-specific data, like fashion, furniture, or interior design, that understands nuance in ways general-purpose AI doesn't. Big AI can tell you what a gadget is, but niche tools can tell you what vibe you're going for. Zach Hudson, the CEO of Onton, points out that general chatbots rely on broad search indexes and large language models, which are only as good as the first few search results they pull in. Niche startups, by contrast, build their own data pipelines with cleaner, high-quality inputs that lead to better recommendations. Daydream's founder actually calls traditional search the forgotten child of fashion, because finding a dress you love isn't the same as finding a TV with the right specs. Style and context matter, and that's where vertical AI shines. Of course, OpenAI and Perplexity do have major advantages. Huge user bases and partnerships, like Shopify with OpenAI and PayPal with Perplexity, that could let users check out without leaving the chat. Still, experts believe that vertical, highly tuned models, whether it's fashion, home goods, or travel, will win for real, human shopping decisions because they understand customer intent at a deeper level. If you're excited about how AI is changing shopping, or want to tell us what you want your AI to help you buy, hit that comment below. And don't forget to check out the related video in the corner next.